day today, guys. Having fun. Love it.
Let's see.
Brendan here, he's alive. We're gonna let him. Thanks for the head. Two. With the truck.
That's him.
Heck yeah! Man, that's a big beaver. That is a fat beaver. There you go, buddy.
Really, huh?
Damn! Hey guys, Papa Rome's here. Stay tuned. We're running another trap line and we just got a coon and we got some more fur along the way. 2 days and we are doing a 140-mile drive just to come to this location. Hope you enjoy. Channel's really making some movements here and I couldn't have done it without you, so I want to thank every one of you for watching, viewing, liking, commenting, subscribing, and telling a friend. See, a lot of you are sharing it out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I appreciate that also. 2020, we'll see where it goes. Nice. If you guys have questions about trapping, or you're just kind of curious about what we're doing different maybe than what you do, leave it in the comment section below. If I don't answer it, maybe another trapper that I support and follow, which is almost everybody that traps, maybe they could answer it. So it's a good community of us that we're all kind of sticking together, banding together, and we're just enjoying the heck out of it. This is great. Not bad. Let's see what else we can get today. Well, listen,